Here's a 2010 Honda Civic sedan. The energetic Civic makes the destination less important than the journey. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, manual tilting steering column, power mirrors, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Los Angeles Times describes it as packed with safety features, everything from compatibility-minded body structures helping to protect occupants in collisions with heavier, higher vehicles such as SUVs, to an energy-absorbing hood to help lessen impacts to pedestrians. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.